Hi, I'm Pastor Sarah, aka Disorganized.Religion on TikTok, where I have over 140,000 followers as of today. And I'm here to talk to you about how to create viral content on TikTok. Today, we're going to talk about lighting. TikTok's newest update puts even more emphasis on what they call high-quality original content. To get that high-quality assessment from the moderators, you want bright colors and clear images. To get those, good lighting can make all the difference. So what about a ring light? Let's hear one of my TikTok characters, Dr. Pepper, work through it with me. I'm ready to make a TikTok. Great. Do I need a ring light? It can make a difference. Can I see? Sure, this is you with the ring light. This is you without the ring light. Does seem to erase some of the dark circles under the eyes. Indeed. And in low light locations, it can make all the difference. Now, what if I don't want to spend 20 to 40 bucks on a ring light? Sunlight is the next best thing. So find a window and look into the light. Why not just film outdoors? The background noise can be super distracting. You can always film nature sounds later and add them in if that's what you're going for. Nice. I'll give it a try. Good luck. Just a quick caveat, if you wear glasses, be careful because the ring light will get reflected in them. So mind your angles and experiment. See at what distance you like your video the best. And remember, most people are watching on their phones, so preview your video on your phone before you post it. You can also consider using a filter to lighten up the image if it looks too dark. I'll talk about filters more in another video. Good luck. Be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tips.